Okay guys, in this video I'll break down today's market outlook for gold, EU and GU using market structure, supply and demand, and liquidity. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we have to mark up our structure, and we go to 4 hour and then mark up our structures. You can see I already did that, and we scale down to 1 hour to find a major demand area. As you can see, the market is trending up, making higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low, higher high, and we are expecting for market to come back and make a pullback to this one of demand area, then look for long opportunity on while trading for our time frame. And as you can see, this is our major demand area, and you are waiting for price to come back to this area and look for long opportunity. But while we are waiting on this time frame, there is another opportunity of looking short, pullback trade. And as you can see, on 5-minute time frame, we have seen a change of character, and then from here, this is 5-minute higher high, and as you can see, we have seen a change of character to the downside, and from there we are expecting market to continue pushing down lower while approaching that major 4-hour demand area. So what we are going to do is mark up our 5-minute change of character here, BOS continuation, and then as you can see here, this is a continuation, and from here when the price approach one of this area, then we are going to look for market shift to the lower time frame, like 1 minute. Then we are going to put short, targeting this liquidity here. Okay, this is the main thing I'm looking on gold. Okay, this is the main thing I am looking for gold. If the price make a pullback to this 5-minute zone, and then I'm going to look for market shift on 1 minute, then press short order targeting this major 4-hour demand zone, or even this liquidity. Okay, and GU, we also have to do that. By first thing we have to do is analyzing and marking our major zone, but before we have to look for market direction. And as you can see, the market was trending upside by making higher high and higher low, but as you can see, we have seen a market shift to the downside, and if we scale to the daily time frame, we can clearly see that why the 1 hour trend to the upside have made market shift to the downside is because daily demand zone have led to change of character to the downside. And as you can see here, we scale to 15-minute time frame and look for our major supply area. And as you can see, this is first supply area, and this is also our other supply area. And what we have to do is waiting for market shift to the downside on 5 minutes, and as you can see, we are waiting for price to break this area, and then if price break this area, we are going to look for short opportunity, targeting all of these listing liquidity. Okay, and also here and this one. Okay, and last is to break a structure trading continuation. Okay, this is the main thing I am looking on EU, and there is a high probability that the market is going to break 5-minute change of character this area. Then we are going to look for short opportunity. But if price do break this structure right here, then there will be probability that the market is going to break this first supply area, targeting the second one. And if price break this structure, they are going to trade a pullback trade, targeting this second supply area. Like price come back and do this and do this, then you are going to put long opportunity here, then targeting this second supply area. But you have to wait. And if we go to EU, and as you can see, EU still like in consolidation of their time frame. As you can see here, there is no clear direction of EU. This is more likely a range. Okay, on daily, and if you scale to 4 hours, still there is no clear direction, there is no clear trend. But as you can see, this is the first demand area of 4 hours, but still it is likely that the market is going to break this demand area, because of the big move comes from upside. As you can see, there is not even consolidation or slowdown to the downside, so I prefer to see price continue breaking this structure. And as you can see, on 15-minute time frame, price has already liquidated the higher high. Okay, and after liquidating higher high, you have seen a change of character to the downside. Okay, from 5 minutes, and from here we should have took this short. Okay, we should have took this short from here. And as you can see, price have made break of structure, then another break of structure, which we should have to took entry here, and then stop loss here, and targeting this demand area. Okay, this is the first setup we should have took. And right now, still I'm preferring for EU to continue pushing down lower. Okay, this is the analysis for EU. And last is USDCAD. USDCAD, as you can see, we are still reacting on 15-minute time frame, and there is no pullback to this major demand area of 1 hour, and there is a weakness of consolidation, which shows that this zone of 15 minutes is making price or preparing price to push up higher. If we do see price break this structure here. 5 minutes, we are going to look for long opportunity. If to price break this structure, we are going to look for change of character on 1 minute, then long. Okay, and there is a probability that the market is going to trace and break this structure. So thank you guys, this is analysis for today. Thanks.